One thing that has emerged that could influence the XRP price has been the possibility of Ripple carrying out an initial public offering. This would mean that shares of the crypto firm would become publicly tradable, like that of Coinbase's Coin stock. However, even more prominent among investors is the possibility of how high the price of this shares could trade. And the rumors had first begun with some members of the XRP community talking about a possible IPO. Like rumors are wont to do, it quickly took on a life of its own and grew from there.
But the most interesting thing so far has been the resurrection of a video of financial expert Linda Jones talking about a possible valuation for Ripple.
Jones had put forward a valuation of $5.7 billion for a possible stock which placed the single share price at $35 a piece at the time. Using data from the Linkto platform, she points to the XRP in circulation, which comes out to over $21 billion. Given this, she believes that Ripple's stock valuation at $35 is too low. While comparing Ripple to Coinbase, which IPO'd at an $86 billion valuation, the financial analyst points out that Ripple's stock would be valued much higher. She takes into account the market cap of the XRP supply as well, at which point she arrives at a $107 billion valuation. In this case, the value of Ripple stocks comes out to 26 higher than what they were valued at the time the DNV was made. This would put the Ripple stock at a value of around $600, but with the possibility of being higher. As the expert points out, Ripple's valuation could reach as high as $500 billion. According to her, the company has what it takes to be considered a high-value company like NVIDIA or Apple. If a Ripple stock were to be released and it reached as high as Jones's calculations present, then there's more than enough reason for the XRP price to rocket alongside the stock price. In this case, Ripple would be the first public company to have a cryptocurrency. So there's really no historical data. However, some similarities can be drawn from Bitcoin's attraction to the stock price of Bitcoin mining companies. When the price of Bitcoin rallies, the stock price of Bitcoin mining companies have often followed suit. This is often because a surge in faith in one translates to take a rise in faith in another. So applying the same logic to Ripple, and a surge in the stock price would likely result in more interest in the final token, resulting in an increase in the XRP price. If the stock price eventually climbs above $600, then it is not out of the ordinary to expect the XRP price to cross $5 at least. Additionally, there would likely be a strong correlation in the performance of both assets, so a drop in one can mean a drop in the other, and vice versa.